Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Initial Solution. Today in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to repost on TikTok. So go for your TikTok app. Now you can see here uh, a share option here or a icon over here, arrow icon. Then go for this and you can see here is a repost option here. So just click on it, go for OK, and it's done. So this is how you can repost a video on TikTok. Hope this video helped you guys. If it did, then please like, comment and share. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.
This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing, and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.